has become really small. The global village you hear about. And back in the days when the plant hunters of the world were going around and looking for plants to take back to their countries, well, it took sometimes years, months on a ship. Get there, fighting animals, fighting the locals, and purely surviving, most times the mosquitoes. But how blessed are we today? And how amazing is it that literally we can walk into a garden center and we can find plants from all over the world. The global village has arrived, and the fact that we have the possibility and opportunity to play with different plants from all over the world is something that really tickles my fancy. Talking of plants from around the world, we're privileged enough to be able to get our hands on guys like these. Now, you'll recognize the flower if you've never seen them before. You'll be able to, like, somewhere in your mind, it filters back. Yeah, and you're almost there. It's part of the Euphorbia family, or poinsettias as we know them, those red things that live in our homes for about 3 weeks and then end up in the dustbin. Oops. True story. Anyway, these guys over here were discovered many, many years ago on the island of Madagascar. Whew, seriously, still on my bucket list. And guys, think about that island. It goes from extreme heats, really humid, right down onto the sea where it literally has just been bashed by the sea air, which shows you the pure resilience of these plants. Varieties have been taken and various colors played with to bring out the beauty, and the beauty is in the colors. And in our temperate climate, where we do get a bit cold, we go down to 5 degrees in the winters. Summers can get really, really hot. These plants in these pots never go a day without a flower. From the beautiful creams to the in-betweens to this. Insane. All they love is lots of sun. Don't overwater. If they're in pots, water them once a week. In the ground, you probably don't even have to water them because their roots will extend and find a spot of moisture. So in the cooler climates, if you do get frost, keep them in pots and lift them up higher. But guys, what a winner. And the bursts of color are electric.